Hello all, welcome to Mintech Services. Now in this video, we will learn what is a quick create form into Power Apps and in Dynamic 365 CRM. In our last session, we learned what is a quick view form. Now we are seeing what is a quick create form. So quick create forms are used to add data quickly without navigating away from current screen. Quick create form will appear as a pop-up window. You can't add the tab, section, subgrid and timeline into quick create form. We can create multiple quick create form, but only one can be used based on form order. So to create or access quick create form, you need to first enable it on table level. Now create the quick view form. Now last one, you can access it from application command bar. So let's see. Suppose I am in a account form. Now I am working on something, some modifying my existing account record. Now at the same time I want to be create a my Mintech product, my Mintech product record. So what I had to do, I had to go to click on this Mintech product. Now click on this new record. So then I will be able to create a new record, but I don't want to be move. Suppose I'm in a Mintech product table or I am creating some new record. So at the same time, I want to be create a account record. So I have to go to account record and click on this new button and create a new account record. But I don't want to be move. I don't want to be away from my this Mintech product current record screen. So in this scenario, we need to be go with this quick create option. So once you create a quick create for option, so inside this command bar, you have a plus icon. Once you click on a plus icon, so here is a your form got display, quick create form got display. Based on it, you will be create your quick create form. So once you click on this, suppose I am clicking on this account form. So see in this right side, it will be automatically create a one account window. So I am here not navigating to another one. So how to create a quick create form? So now see, first of all, I am enabling this option on our custom table Mintech product. Just expand your solution, go to your custom table. Now go to your properties settings. Once your property settings got open, now click on this advanced option. So here is a one option, leverage quick create form if available. Now just click on this check box. Once you click on this check box, now save your changes. So first option is completed. Mean for custom table, you go have to go to your properties and expand this advanced option. Or there is a one option, leverage quick create form if available. Now just save this one. Now our first option is completed. Now go to your forms. Now create a new form. So here is a option, new form. So here is a quick create form. So I'm adding this Mintech product, Mintech product quick create form. Suppose QCF, quick create form. Now just click on this create. So once you create your form, you need to be add a columns into your form. Which columns you want to be display? Okay. So now we will be add some 5 to 6 columns only. Mm, okay. So see, so some. Okay. So here is one's Mintech product, product description, product price. Some column is automatically selected. Now it's sufficient for me. So now just save and publish your form. Quick create Mintech quick create form we created. Now here I am save or publishing our newly created quick create form. So now go back and one more time we will be publish our table. Now just click on advanced. Now click on publish. Now it's published. Now just I am reloading my model driven application. Or once you go to your command bar, or here you will be see this plus icon. Once you click this plus icon, see here is a Mintech product quick create form is available. So once you click on this quick create form, so see without navigating to current record, you open a newly quick create form. So now here I am opening a one machine printing banner machine. Now here is a product price, suppose is a 30,000, or here is available from this one, or product in stock, yes, now 7 kilos. So once you go to your Mintech products, you will be see your newly created record is available printing banner. So hope you will be understand what is a quick create form, how to create a quick create form, and how to add a quick create form, uh, and how to access it from your command bar. So you will be understand what is a quick create form, how to access it. So we learn what is a quick create form, how to enable quick create form, how to access or open quick create form from your model driven application. So thanks for watching this video. We will be meet in our next video.